Did you see what happened yesterday? Cubana chief priest Igbo Billionaire was at Federal Naked Polytechnic Owerri. He did something well amazing. After getting an award, he announced that he'll be paying school fees for 300 students. That's over 12 million naira. This is really encouraging. He had he had a fun with the care guides. They turned down the whole place and they just watch the video in case if you missed what happened. And don't forget to subscribe.
Polytechnic is home for me. You know, when the guest lecturer prof was talking, I want chief priest of the greatest Nigerian student,
Cubana chief priest, for your contributions to humanity. This day, 31st January 2025. Congratulations.
I'm as a president. Baby, I go, and we felt it. I go, where there? I did tell you.
You really felt it.
Yeah, we felt it. You know, crazy motherfucking lifestyle.
My blood.
One day.
I love you.
Tough, bro. We're tough for
See you
life.
tomorrow.
Yeah, bro. We're tough for life. It's 2 months. More than mado. You know, on the head of madam, one a brandiro get me bolemo. I get Barbara, Ndage Barbara, Tai. I made them my pallier.